All right, huge thanks and vampire shout out to Dawn for taking the time and printing these amazing 3D printed pocket document cams, which are super cool. Some of you asked me, hey, when I put this on, there's some weirdness with the camera and the fact that this is a mirror. So this little guy, obviously the contour here is going to go with the ridge in the back of your laptop. I'm going to put this one on real quick. Make sure it's all the way down, otherwise the angle will be a little bit off. So this is what it looks like when you're writing, and obviously it's inverted. So at the bottom here with your zoom, go to video, and you can do this from the main zoom application as well. Go to video settings, click on the one called mirror my video. Whoa! And now pretty much everything you're writing for your kids in that sense, it's going to show all of that. Amazing. So again, Dawn, that was general video, mirror my video. That's all you got to do. Any questions about this? You probably don't. Probably better questions is, where can I get this cool pocket cam? You can respond to me or just write to Dawn. I'm sure she'd be happy to print some more out. And we can leave a few of these in the teacher's lounge if you just want to borrow them whenever you want, that kind of thing.